Here we go. A little reindeer a person made out of scrap metal. I don't know how well you can see it in the video while I'm walking closer. For all you auto mechanics, you'll see. For antlers, he used headers off a car engine. You can see the car headers. He gave the reindeer a little red nose. Pretty neat. He couldn't find a red light bulb, so he painted that light bulb red. Oh, that's wrought iron. Oh, there's some fencing. You can see he made the body out of. Added different color lights around the legs. Helps keep it standing up using an air tank. I guess for a compressor. More steel pipe for the back legs. Anyhow, you like it? Please comment. Share this video with your friends. Those red parts are exhaust headers from a car engine. Now, some people made robots out of car mufflers, but I thought I'd share this idea. If you like doing artwork, craft, what you can do out of scrap metal. Alright, please like and subscribe, and post comment what you think of this idea. I did not make this, another person made this reindeer.